Hey Lou, is that your blankies from Christmas? Is that your Christmas blankies? Oh my goodness! I got your Christmas blankie. Go do it again.
She's just feeling good. She don't think to be.
You not gonna run away with it? Here you go.
There's something else in that bag besides the paper from you tear it.
I don't think so,
Listen.
Missy.
Let me have the paper. Let me have the paper. Come on.
Just pull it out, Lucy.
You tell her she doesn't have to do this.
Look at this. I wish Jeanette could see this.
I got it on video.
Good gracious.
See? I'm videoing her.
Good gracious.
You're gonna get to it, honey. You're almost there. Oh my goodness. What is it? Hey, look, it's in there. Oh.
Oh, look what you got.
And she's gonna run away with it.
Leave a mess.
That's so cute. Oh,
Y'all
honey.
clean that up.
Oh, Merry Christmas, Lucy.